Giraffe advance limits can become stuck when the app does not update your eligibility, account information, or payment status correctly. If your Giraffe advance limit is not increasing or appears frozen, the first step is checking whether your account has any pending requirements or incomplete information. Open the Giraffe app and review your account details. Make sure your profile information, payment details, and any required verification steps are completed correctly. A stuck limit can also happen when the app has not refreshed your latest account activity. Close the app completely, reopen it, and check whether the available limit has changed. If the problem continues, check for an app update. An outdated version of Giraffe may not display account changes correctly, so install the latest version available through your device's app store. Another thing to check is your payment or account history inside the app. Pending transactions, failed payments, or incomplete account actions can affect how available features appear. If your advance limit remains unchanged, avoid repeatedly requesting updates because the system may need time to process account information. Instead, confirm that your account is active, your payment method is working, and there are no notifications or messages inside Giraffe asking for additional action. If you need help from support, include your account email, device type, app version, the current limit shown, and any error message you see. These details help support identify whether the issue is related to your account or the app. The quickest troubleshooting steps are checking your account information, updating Giraffe, refreshing the app, and reviewing any pending account requirements. If your limit is still stuck after completing these steps, contact Giraffe support for account-specific help, because limit decisions may depend on information connected to your account. Try these fixes before submitting a support request, and you will have the details needed to get a faster response. If this guide helped you solve your Giraffe issue, like the video and subscribe for more app troubleshooting guides.